If you have ever stayed on the beach during the summer and have observed storms at what feels like the same time each afternoon, you have most likely seen pulse thunderstorms. These pulse thunderstorms also happen often in mid-Missouri during the summer months. Now, when we take a look at the ABC 17 Storm Track Doppler radar from earlier today, and we focus just southeast of mid-Missouri back towards Cape Girardeau, here's a couple examples of some pulse thunderstorms starting to fire up. Now, they form a little bit differently from other cell systems such as multicellular systems or supercell storms, because those cells usually fire off with 4 of these main ingredients, while pulse thunderstorms typically only need instability and moisture to really get going, leaving out shear and lift. Now, when we talk about instability, we're talking about CAPE, which is an acronym for Convective Available Potential Energy. It's basically just going to be the amount of energy in the atmosphere for these storms to drive off of. When we have less CAPE, we have weaker storms. More CAPE typically equals stronger storms. Now, during the summer months, because of the rising temperatures, especially with the sun starting to heat the surface of the earth, we will typically see increased levels of CAPE, which eventually will start to lift up with the warmer air, and we'll start to see it cool and condense as it starts to meet the second ingredient of moisture, forming these little pulse thunderstorms. Now, typically they'll last anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes, so a little bit shorter, and not saying too much in terms of severe conditions with these. If so, they're usually going to be on the weaker end.